Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discussing with you SmartyMe app review. But first, like a special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you're looking into the SmartyMe app here, it has quickly become a massive name in the micro learning space, designed completely around the idea of packing meaningful self-improvement into super quick 15-minute daily bites here. So according to SmartyMe's official platform and website here, the whole goal is to help busy people build practical real-world skills without needing to carve out hours for a traditional online course. Now, when you first launch the app, it walks you through the onboarding quiz to figure out your exact personal goals and then builds a customized daily learning path for you. The sheer variety of subjects is huge here. They cover everything from productivity and psychology to finance, history, and communication. Now, you can seamlessly switch between needing or reading the text summaries or listening to the audio versions, making it incredibly popular for people who want to upskill while walking the dog, or maybe working out, or even communicating. Now, looking at reviews out there or in platforms like Google Play Store and also Trustpilot here, well, the praise is overwhelmingly centered on how perfectly the app fits into their pack routine. Now, a lot of users write about how much they love the concise, highly structured layout of the lessons because they actually give you in this case, an immediate actionable takeaway rather than just throwing vague theories at you. Now, the theories on, in this case, Trustpilot here frequently mention that people with busy jobs or shorter attention spans here says that it's a brilliant way to keep your brain active and learn something generally transformative in a short window here. Now, if you're wondering what are some downsides here that you may want to know, so when it comes to these, so the most consistent complaint across platforms on review sites involves the onboarding and building flow. Now, several reviews note that there isn't a true, completely unrestricted free trial, and because it operates on a recurring subscription, some users have felt blindsided by renewal fees and they forgot to cancel. Additionally, on platforms in these review platforms here, a few users mentioned that the lesson narration relies heavily on AI voices, which can occasionally feel a bit robotic here when you're trying to learn nuanced topics like public speaking. Now, ultimately, if you want a highly efficient, well created daily routine to broaden your knowledge across dozens of topics here, SmartyMe is heavily praised by its active community as being entirely worth the investment. But in this case, that's about it. So, for this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.